Hey guys, this is Iconix here. For those who don't know how I look like, now you do. I thought I'd make this video because a lot of people have been asking me how have I managed to go from having 473 subs at the start of the year and hitting 3K by the end of this year. So I thought I'd make this video explaining that. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, I would really appreciate it. Be sure to share this video, of course, as well. Let's get into it. I feel like the first thing that has helped me a lot is just how consistent I've gotten this year. I wouldn't have streamed at all that much last year. I streamed 4 times a month, sometimes not even. And I think that has played a major part in my growth. Not just because I was streaming consistently, so I was gaining subscribers consistently, but just because YouTube recognized that. They saw I was very consistent. I was streaming day after day after day. They saw I was doing pretty okay already, and they decided to try and push me out into more people's recommended, push me into Rock League topic sections, and therefore I just kind of gained that kind of traffic to me thanks to that, and the traffic was massive, like seriously massive. And I didn't expect it, but it showed me that if I am consistent, I will grow, and I could grow a huge ton. The second thing I feel like that has helped me is the type of stuff I was doing on streams in terms of Rock League. I know Rock League is in itself is a fairly small game in terms of streaming on YouTube as compared to Twitch. On Twitch it'd be a lot harder, of course. And I feel like the choice of game, of course, was had a huge impact on that as well. But I think it's just what I was doing that has helped me. The titles I had. I did 1v1s with viewers on stream, and I specifically titled myself as EUNA English speaking. Now, I think it's not the EUNA and English speaking part that did it. I think it's the fact that I was 1v1ing with viewers, and people just seem to like the idea of 1v1ing someone and seeing if they can beat them or lose or just 1v1 in general, especially since it's a YouTuber, some people came to me and they were like, "This is my first time playing against a YouTuber, and I'm kind of nervous and this and that." I feel like that has played a massive part as well. The stuff I was doing, the content, the interaction I had with the viewers. At the start, it was hectic. I had no plan. I had everything was just so unprepared for me as to how it just picked up to like 20 people per stream or 30 sometimes even. Um, that's why I had to add the Nightbot command for the queues, which helped a ton with this as well. And I feel like major dub with that. I also do believe my personality has helped a ton with it. I think people seem to like me as how I was, how I talked to them, how real I was with them, rather than pretend and be fake and act in a specific way. I was honest with people. If I don't like you, I don't like you. I say it up front. If I like you, I will say I like you. I think people like my kind of personality and how funny I can be at times and how goofy I am and just overall, like I said, how real I can be and honest. Um, and I think people enjoyed watching me improve in Rock League as well, like watching me go up, as well as trying to learn from me and improve themselves. People did come in asking for tips, help, this and that, and I always did help, and I think people really did appreciate that. Um, and of course, if you, the main thing is if you're not good at a game, try compensate with your personality, with how you as a person are. I lastly too do think that the community played the biggest role in my growth. Not just the new community that I've built over the last few months alone, but also the old community I had before this year. Guys, if not E, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have gotten this far if not E. Our goal was not 1K. Our goal was 700. Our goal was not 2K. It was 700. Our goal was not 3K. Our goal was 700 subs. Ye have done so much for me, and I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to show the appreciation you deserve, guys. I'm just not good at showing emotions or showing a way of gratitude, I guess. I just don't know how, and I'd say a lot of you can tell. Um, if not E, I wouldn't have hit this goal, and if not E, I wouldn't have proven to myself that I'm able to do something and achieve something in life, you know. My friend made me start this channel years ago, and he was my first supporter, you know. And he passed away a few years ago. I wish he was here, you know. He'd love you. He'd love you. If not him, I wouldn't even have started this, and I wouldn't have met you. You all are the reason I actually stream. I don't have people to talk to outside of streaming, and ye just make streaming for me have a sense of just doing it, you know. If with ye I talk more than I talk with anyone else outside, and getting this far means a lot more to me than you could imagine, because it just, for me, it's not about the subs or how much I make off of YouTube. Of course I want to make money, but for me, it's just about having people to talk to, you know, and you've given me that, and I cannot be more grateful for that, because all of you are amazing guys. You know, just want to say thank you guys. I really couldn't have made it without you. I love y'all guys. I'll see you in the next one.